Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to unbox and review. The brand new Tecno Spark Slim. The name itself builds a lot of anticipation, right? It promises something sleek, modern, and easy to handle. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the packaging. The Tecno Spark Slim arrives in this bright, stylish box that immediately gives off a modern and youthful vibe, which perfectly matches the phone's target audience. It's clean, it's vibrant, and it definitely makes you eager to see what's inside. As soon as you lift the lid, there it is. The phone greets you, wrapped in its protective film, showing off its thin, glossy frame. You can immediately feel how lightweight it is, which is a great first impression for a phone named Slim. Let's put the phone aside for just a moment and see what else Tecno has packed in here for us. Everything is neatly arranged, which I always appreciate. It gives you that premium unboxing experience right from the start. First up, we have a 33-watt fast charger. It's great to see a powerful charger included in the box, as some brands are starting to leave them out. Alongside it, you get a sturdy USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Tecno also includes a SIM ejector tool, a transparent protective case to keep your new phone safe from day one, and even a pre-applied screen protector. That's a fantastic touch. You're protected right out of the box. Finally, you get the usual user manual and warranty card. It's a complete package, with everything you need to get started. Now, let's get to the main event. The phone itself. The Tecno Spark Slim is beautifully designed. My first impression is just how comfortable it feels in the hand. It has a super slim body, measuring around 7.6 millimeters thick, which is impressive. The back panel has this smooth, elegant matte finish that not only looks premium, but also does a great job of resisting fingerprints. The camera module has a modern rectangular design that's very on trend. The phone feels solid, yet incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for long hours of use without any fatigue. The attention to detail is clear, with its gently curved edges and a glossy frame that adds a touch of class and contrast to the matte back. The bezels around the screen are also quite thin, which helps create a more immersive viewing experience. Speaking of the screen, let's turn this thing on. The Tecno Spark Slim features a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display, and wow, it looks fantastic. The colors are bright, vivid, and punchy, just as you'd expect from an AMOLED panel. It has a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, so everything from text to images looks sharp and crisp. But the standout feature here is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through menus, browsing social media, and playing games feels incredibly smooth and fluid. The touch response is quick and snappy, making the entire user experience feel much more premium. The punch-hole selfie camera design is also a nice modern touch, keeping the display clean and unobtrusive. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, getting into some gaming, or just browsing the web, this display is an absolute joy to look at. Now, let's talk about what's powering this device. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark Slim is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate processor. This is a very capable chipset, known for its reliable and efficient performance in the mid-range segment. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM, which is already plenty for smooth multitasking. But here's a cool feature. You can expand it up to 16 GB using virtual RAM, which borrows from the internal storage to give you an extra boost when you need it. Speaking of storage, you get a generous 256 GB internally, which should be more than enough for all your apps, photos, and videos. The phone runs on Android 14, with Tecno's iOS 14 skin on top. In day-to-day use, performance is snappy and stable. Apps open quickly, switching between them is a breeze, and it handles everything from social media to moderate gaming without any noticeable lag or stutter. Of course, a great phone needs a great camera, so let's check out the setup on the Spark Slim. On the back, we have a dual camera system headlined by a 50-megapixel main AI camera, supported by a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In my testing, the photos came out sharp and bright, with realistic colors and a good amount of detail, especially in good lighting. The AI does a good job of optimizing the scene without making the colors look unnatural. For the selfie lovers out there, you'll be happy to know there's a 32-megapixel front camera, and it even comes with a dual LED flash. This is a game changer for low-light selfies. The portraits are clean, balanced, and the AI beauty mode helps smooth out imperfections subtly. You can get some really nice shots with this front camera. Next up is battery life, which is often a make-or-break feature for many people. The Tecno Spark Slim packs a large 5000 mAh battery. With this capacity, it easily lasts more than a full day of mixed use. I was able to get through a whole day of calls, browsing, some camera use, and watching YouTube videos with plenty of charge left over. When you do need to top up, the 33-watt fast charging support comes in handy. It's impressively quick. I was able to charge the phone from 0 to about 70% in around 40 minutes, which is fantastic for when you're in a hurry. Let's touch on audio and connectivity. The Spark Slim comes with dual stereo speakers enhanced with DTS sound. The audio quality is surprisingly loud and crisp, making it great for watching movies or listening to music without needing headphones. But if you do prefer wired audio, you'll be glad to see a 3.5mm headphone jack is included. For connectivity, it has all the modern standards, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and a USB Type-C port. For security, there's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that's fast and reliable, as well as face unlock. Tecno has also included some useful software features, like a game mode for optimizing performance, eye comfort and dark mode for the display, and an AI battery saver to help you squeeze even more life out of the battery. So, what are my final thoughts on the Tecno Spark Slim? It truly lives up to its name. It's a slim, stylish, and smart device that packs a lot of great features into a lightweight and attractive package. You get a beautiful and smooth 120Hz AMOLED screen, a solid camera setup for both rear and selfie shots, and fantastic battery life with quick charging. The performance is reliable for all your everyday tasks and even some gaming. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a sleek, modern smartphone that delivers on performance and battery without breaking the bank. Tecno has really put together a well-balanced and appealing package here. That's all for my review of the Tecno Spark Slim. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.